Hello kids, let's learn about farm animals. Cow, pig, sheep, rooster, ducks, horse, goat, rabbit, hen and chicken, donkey, buffalo, ostrich. Thank you for watching.